Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. Today in this CSS video we learn font property. Font property is used to change the text size, color and also style. First font property is font color. I am right here basic HTML code, and in body tag I am right here S2 tag, and in that I am right CSS font property, and here I am right internal CSS S2. First is font color. Simply write color red. Okay, text will be red. Second property is font family. Simply write here font family. I am right here serif. Right here sans. Font family applied successfully on S3 tag. In font family there are number of font. First is serif. Serif is used to use in printing text. Second is sans serif. This font is used in digital form of text. And another is mono space. This font used in mailing address. Another CSS font property is font size. Simply write here font size 50 pixel. Here we can also use value like small. Here we can also write small, medium, also we can write here large. Text will be large. I am right here font size property small, medium, large, x small, xx small, x large, xx large. Also use smaller and larger. These are the value of font size. Another CSS font property is font style, and it contain value italic, oblique and normal. Here simply write font style, and here I am write italic. Text will be italic. After that, another font property is font variant. It contain values normal and small caps. Normal and small caps. Here simply write font variant small caps. Font variant property successfully added. After that, another font property is font weight, and it contain values normal, bold, bolder, lighter. Here simply write font weight. I am right here bold. Open browser, text will be bold. These are the CSS font property used in CSS. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.